record here. I'm coming back in Asda. I'm in Asda and I'm picking a few things in Asda. How are you all doing? You're welcome to the channel. So yeah, let me show you all what I'm picking up in Asda. I really came here and then I'm like, oh, let me film. So I'm in Asda now. You can see here I'm at this section. So yeah, I came for some containers. Oh my god, my camera is really dealing with me. See? Okay, there we go. Water bottles and stars. So these are on sales, I think. So yeah, let me pick a few things. Let's go. Keep shopping and going. Do I need anything? Tomatoes? I think I have some tomatoes paste at home. I'm looking for donuts. Which one are we taking now? And trying to this camera. I also like this one. I also like this one time. Is this sandwich made? Like, take this one. Alright, I just finished from Asda now. Let's head home. I'm planning to walk home. I'm not going to take the bus, I'm going to walk. So we just left Asda now. I hope you guys are doing great. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, okay? Thank you guys so much for support on my channel so far. I appreciate you all. You've given me the energy to keep filming around. Now your girl's just holding her camera filming around like, I don't care if you're looking at me or not. So yes, V Squad, let's continue with the vlog. I'll see you all later, okay? Let's keep going. Outfit of the day. Okay, V Squad, I'm back home now. 2,000 years later. So yeah, I walked back home. Like I said, it's a journey of about, let's say 20 minutes walk. But if you walk quicker, I think it might take you maybe 15 minutes. Let's say 15 to 20 minutes walk. So yeah, I'm finally home. Let me show you all what I bought, and let me film quick before this phone space disgrace me, you know. Let's start it straight away. So these are the bags. This is my little bag that I always take with me when I'm going shopping. This one, it always end up being full. And then we have this other one. So I bought this extra bag in Asda. So yeah, I got let me show you guys quickly what I bought. I bought some apples, 2 packs. These are the Gala apples. I love them, very crunchy. I bought 2 packets of apple. Where's the other pack? So yeah, 2 packets of apples. And then, oh, I'm so happy for this. Look, this one is a flask. It's a little flask. Like, it keeps food warm for like 6 hours hot. And then it keeps something cold for like 12 hours. So you see, this one. I bought this. It was £8 initially in Asda. So it was on sale today for £5. So I grabbed this. So like me, I like having soups, porridge and stuff. I can just make it, put it in here, let it be getting hot or warm. Then I'll get busy whatever I'm doing. Then I can always eat it later, because I don't like coming to the kitchen all the time to warm food or something. So if I make like my soup, put in here, then when I'm ready to eat, it's easy. I just open and eat it. So you see, it comes, you open like this. So basically you can use this to pour whatever is inside. Then you open from here. You see in here at the top you have a spoon. So it comes with a spoon, this foldable spoon that you can just open. See, you can open like this. You can open and use it like this. This is so practical, trust me. And then you can take it out. I'm excited for this buy. You see the inside? I'm so happy for this buy. Take this out. So yeah, I'm excited for this, to be honest. I had it on Amazon on my cart to order it, but it was way expensive on Amazon. Like some things, trust me, you see them in the shops, they're cheaper, to be honest. So yeah, this was like, I think, was it like 12 or 15 pounds on Amazon? When I saw it there, I put it on my cart. I was like, I'm going to grab it when I can. And now I went to Asda, I saw it on sale for £5. So I'm so happy for this, so happy. And then I bought this other one as well. This one is for my nuts, like mixed nuts, you know, like raisins, almond, cashews, pistachios, all of those nuts, the good stuff, you know. I like having nuts, like a handful of nuts once in a while. So I will pour my nuts in here. Glad for this buy. This one was £1.90, I think. Yeah. Then I grabbed these ones for baby girl. These are her shower gel, you know, and one shampoo. So this is shower gel for baby girl and shampoo. And then for us, the adults, I buy this one. I always buy Sanex, the shower gel, but I think I'm changing the brand now, because I went to my family place. I was there for a couple of weeks, let me say so, and they use this one, this Palmolive, and I love them. Just the fact that they have this tap is practical, you know, because the other one you just pour it, it comes out a lot, but with this tap you can hardly waste. So I bought this Palmolive, 2 of them, shower gels, and they sell one for like, I think, £2.80. Then these ones are just some treats. Once in a while we get treats in this house. So I got some donuts, some sugar ring donuts. I bought 2 packs. Baby girl will love that. When she will come back from daycare, she'll see that, she'll be like, yes, mommy, well done. And then of course you all know me with coffee. I bought my coffee, my 3-in-1 Nescafe. And then I bought this bedtime nappies for baby girl. Now she really doesn't wear nappies, really. These ones are just the nappy pants for her for bedtime, you know. That's just it, really. So she's outgrowing nappies. I think by the time she turned 4, I think she wouldn't even be wearing nappies to bed, because she does not even wet herself at night in bed. You know, she sleep, you wake up in the morning, she's still dry. So I just put them on for emergency, you know. That's why I get them. So this is for her. And the last thing I bought was this hand wash. This is hand wash. I bought one of these for the bathroom. So basically, I was going shopping today. This morning when I dropped her off to daycare, my main aim was go to Asda, pick shower gels and nappies and my coffee. These were the 3 things in my head, to be honest, because yesterday I did a bit of shopping yesterday. Like, you know, like these shoppings, there are things we top up every now and then, because you buy them as the week is going, they're finishing. So there are things that we just go top up. So when I went for these 3 things, I end up with how many things today? So I came home with like almost 2 bags full, right? But they are all things I need. The thing is, all the things I always buy, they are things we need. You know, I get what we need and what we are using immediately. I don't go buying something that I'm going to be using I'm going to be using it later, you know. I buy just what we need. That is what I do now. I don't do unnecessary buying. But these 2, to be honest, it's been like over months now. I've been saying I want to buy this. I even have my nuts there. They're in a bag. I don't have the container. I was like, I really need a container. So I was so happy to see this. So it was not like unnecessary buy. You get it? And this one I saw, I've been keeping my eye on it. So I saw it and it was on sale. So I grabbed it. So they are all my essentials. So yeah, I'm back home now. Right now, I'm going to do some quick tidy up. You know, once baby girl is not around, that's the time I like to do my tidy up. I'm going to tidy up now. And then I will try to make myself... I'm having this pain under my stomach. I don't know what is causing it. Like this strange pain, which is really not nice. It's giving that constipation vibes, but I don't think I am constipated. So I'm going to make myself a hot water and lemon now. I'll warm water and put some lemon inside and drink it. Hopefully that can help me, you know. And yeah, that's just it, my V squad. I hope you enjoy watching this mini vlog with me, really. Just a mini vlog. I hope you enjoy watching with your girl. Please subscribe to join the V squad, okay? For those of you returning to watch your girl, I appreciate. I love you guys so much. Continue supporting me. Give this video a huge thumbs up, okay? I love you all so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.